all light up. I already walked through here, closed all the windows. Somebody left all the windows open. Looks to be most of it's all old Wiser except for the addition back there's quick set or knockoff quick set. Pretty neat old house. They've got a pink bathroom, a pink tile bathroom.
Nice.
I think somebody ended up wanting to get back in this house because they left like all the dang windows open for some reason. Throw that down there. Best way to go is this way, through the hallway. Yeah, I want to get a shot of this bathroom real quick before I go. There ain't nothing I need to do on this end of the house. But check out that bathroom. You see that spot right over there under the window missing? Yeah. That's a toilet paper spool. Someone must have got mad and knocked it off.
Yeah.
Alright. Check out this kitchen. I don't know if you can. I don't know if it's got any light. No power. I'll just hit it with my flashlight. Can you see in there?
Yeah. That looks pretty good.
Well, that's old.
Yeah.
That's neat. Alright. Here, we'll go around. I don't feel like cutting through there.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
And that's something you don't see anymore. A little telephone niche.
Oh, yeah.
You just sit your telephone right in there.
Yeah.
You can put a picture in there or a phone book or whatever. Doorbell.
Yeah.
Alright, this is the addition. I mean, it's, you can tell by the rock exterior. It's not new addition by any means. It was probably added on in the 80s.
Right.
Okay, so I was right. That's knockoff. It's like Defiant or some crap. It's not even Defiant. It ain't even that good. It's no brand. We got that. I'm going to leave this one alone because I'm just worried about the exterior doors.
Right.
And this one here.
Right.
And that's a double Wiser. And that door handle looks like it's in real good shape to be an interior door. They probably didn't use it much.
Yeah.
That's a double Wiser cylinder.
It's nice.
Alright. Let's go back to the other one. We'll take it off.
Okay.
This is the couch. That's the front door. This is on upside down.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's probably Ace. It's probably Ace hardware crap. Of course, they're usually proud of their junk, and they usually stamp Ace on the face of everything. But, of course, look.
Oh, yeah.
It's twisted. What
Yep.
do you expect? Yep. Twisted. All right. Well. Oh, and it's broke.
Oh, yeah.
Get a shot of that in there.
Oh, yeah.
It's broke.
Yep.
Luckily enough, I've got another one of those. I'll just charge them for it. Straighten that tail shaft back out, and that's as good as that's going to get, and that's what they're going to get out of me.
Yep.
Oh, that's garbage. Throw it over there.
Okay.
Tighten that up, make sure that's all. That's working pretty good. Dead latch is working. Put my flashlight up. I don't need it right now. It's pretty light enough in here. heck? Wait a minute. What am I doing? Frickin' there's a pokey hole. Doggone it. My head ain't on straight or something. Now I'm going to have to do this for the wasers because you got to pull the tail shaft out on them.
Right.
And turn the key and the cylinder drop out. Let's just put that back on. Pretty nice house for it to be an old house. Cozy.
Yeah.
Didn't really care for the front too much. It's kind of ugly.
Yeah. But I like the wood grain.
I do in here. In the kitchen and all bedrooms are kind of neat too.
Yeah.
I guess the living room would be kind of formal or like a den. Yeah, we're too tight. See how it doesn't come out?
Yeah.
Loosen them up a little bit. Yeah.